Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the currency right here on cTrader. If you want to do this, you can do this on two ways. And the first way is go right here to settings, and then when you're using a correct broker, you can switch right here by clicking on currency and click there on euro and then change it to whatever you want. But most of the time this won't work. So then what you need to do is you need to create a new demo account or live account with a different currency. So right now we go here right in the top, select here open new trading account, and then right here we can click right here on demo or live. Let's do demo for now. Select here how much you want to deposit and then select right here which currency you want to use. So let's say we want to use US dollars. Then right now we click here on open demo account, and now we created ourselves a account with US dollars. So if you can see right here, they're standing now US dollars. So this is the way how you can change your currency on cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.